The wealthy don't just spend their money, they invest it in things that actually make them richer. Ever wonder why the rich seem to get richer, even when they're spending? We are diving into 10 powerful purchases the wealthy make, not for show-off but for growth. These aren't just random luxury buys, they're intentional investments designed to bring returns. By the end of this video, you'll see how spending smartly can turn expenses into opportunities that keep building wealth over time. Subscribe the channel and let's get started. Number 1. Time-saving purchase. Time-saving purchases are among the smartest spending anyone can make. For example, moving closer to work. Reducing commute time frees up hours each week. That can be used to focus on personal growth or career goals. This idea is supported in the 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss, which emphasizes eliminating time-wasting tasks to focus on what truly matters. Spending on a reliable time management tool or even upgrading to a faster laptop. Small moves that can save hours over the long run. By choosing purchases that free up time, you're not only gaining hours but also reducing stress and improving your quality of life, ultimately giving yourself a better return on investment. Number 2. Practical education. The wealthy invest in knowledge that directly benefits their business, finances, or personal growth. Specialized courses in finance, coding, or entrepreneurship pay off by enhancing skill sets that can lead to lucrative opportunities. Take this into account. A study showed that the average ROI on specialized courses is often 3 to 4 times the investment within just a few years. So, when thinking of your next education expense, ask yourself, will this knowledge bring me closer to financial freedom? Number 3. Debt repayment. Debt can be a burden or a powerful tool. The rich know that not all debt is equal. They prioritize paying off high-interest debts and strategically use low-interest debt to invest in income-generating assets. Imagine paying off a 20% interest rate on credit cards and instead diverting those funds to investments. Over a decade, this difference alone could lead to significant wealth accumulation. Number 4. Business events and conferences. Attending business events offers 2 major benefits: knowledge and networking. Here's a fascinating fact. 78% of business people say that face-to-face meetings are essential for success. Events create a space to meet industry leaders and potentially even future business partners. For the rich, this is where connections are made that lead to big deals. So next time there's a local networking event, consider the potential value of the people you might meet. Number 5. Quality accountants and financial advisors. Taxes and investments can be complex, and the wealthy understand the value of expert advice. Good accountants don't just crunch numbers. They save money by spotting opportunities for tax savings or better investments. Investing in a top-notch accountant might cost a little more but could save thousands, if not more, in taxes each year. And a quality financial advisor may grow your money rapidly by giving you best suitable funds, stocks, or other investment options. Number 6. Equity in businesses. Owning stakes in profitable businesses is a common way. The wealthy build their fortune. Even without running the business, they reap the benefits as the company grows. With just a minority stake, they gain passive income and valuable partnerships. Think of it as a way to grow wealth without directly managing the day-to-day operations. Number 7. Thoughtful gifts and relationships. Building relationships is essential for long-term success, and sometimes a thoughtful gift can strengthen those bonds. For the rich, the focus is on quality rather than price. A well-considered gift can foster goodwill and loyalty, which are priceless in business and personal life. Number 8. Premium environment investments. A comfortable and uplifting environment is a hidden productivity booster. Think about the impact of a beautiful, organized workspace on your focus and creativity. Studies show that surroundings affect mood, mental health, and even productivity by up to 30%. That's why the wealthy invest in homes that foster relaxation and creativity, or workspaces that inspire focus. Try enhancing your environment with a plant, some natural lighting, or ergonomic furniture. It could make a world of difference. Number 9. Travel and new experiences. Travel opens up new perspectives. The wealthy often use travel not just for leisure but for inspiration. Exposure to different cultures and ideas can fuel creativity and lead to innovative business ideas. Plus, experiences like these create lifelong memories, often with a higher personal return than any luxury item. Number 10. Quality time with family and self-care. One of the most valuable investments the wealthy make is in relationships and personal well-being. They understand that wealth is pointless if they're too stressed or too detached from loved ones to enjoy it. Taking time for self-care, relaxation, and family isn't just about happiness. It's about creating a balanced life that fuels long-term success. The rich don't just buy things. They make calculated investments in tools, relationships, knowledge, and assets that grow over time. Each of these 10 points has the potential to shift your mindset. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this video, subscribe the channel, like and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. Start by incorporating even a few of these strategies and watch as they create ripple effects in your life. Thanks for watching. See you in the next wealthy video. Until then, take care.